Unboxing with Lima. Unboxing with Lima. Unboxing with Lima. Unboxing with Lima.
Hey, Lima, it's me, Lima, and my brother.
Bean. Pot.
And today, we're doing a unboxing with Lima. In this series, we unbox pop figures. Not big pop figures, tiny pop figures.
But before we unbox some tiny and not big pop figures, we have tiny and not big questions of the day.
To question day, wow.
For our spooky question of the day today, Lima, what is your least favorite spooky character?
Meanwhile, what is your least favorite spooky character?
I asked you first.
I asked you first.
Nope, never mind. My least favorite.
My least favorite is
I'm so offended. Ow. I mean, as we all know, this thing haunts my nightmares. This is the nun, unfortunately. But I'd have to say my least favorite in terms of like creeping me out, but also like not in really like a good way. I don't like the monster that's like under the stairs in the This Is Halloween opening for Nightmare Before Christmas. It creeps me out, but not in a like spooky way, in a like gross way.
I like the creepy thing is that I'm scared about the monster in the bed because he's just eyes.
All right, should we get started?
Yep.
Well,
I can't believe it has a head.
what just happened?
There's a skeleton.
Let's not walk in front of the camera, Lima.
Okay, let's see what it is.
All right. Today is the 30th, which means that we are opening day 12. And for day 12, for day 12, we have a box.
It's the nut.
And what is it? The nut? What is that?
A different Pennywise.
It's a second Pennywise.
Probably this one.
Show it off.
Probably this one.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, that one.
This is unnecessary.
It's Pennywise, but angry and with a red balloon. I have heard him talking to children about floating, but I don't actually know what any of that means. I assume it's a metaphor for die.
Hello, cousin.
Anyway, so what are your thoughts on Angry Wise Penny Mad?
I like that. Now we have duplicates.
I mean, I guess it's a duplicate. I'm just kind of like annoyed that they kind of like gave up on finding like new characters or licensing more stuff.
Yeah, that bothers me too, considering there are only 13 in this countdown, that they did 2 of the same character. Like,
Yeah.
I kind of understand on,
Nightmare Before Christmas, there are only so many Nightmare Before Christmas characters. We had to get like 12 duplicates.
I feel like there were more horror characters they could have done,
Right.
and they're duplicating.
Or like Freddy Funko in a pumpkin costume is like my theory for the last one. So couldn't they have done something like that, like an original character, if they like were out of ideas and out of characters?
But between the 2 Pennywises,
I do like Angry Wise more. Yeah.
I like the balloon.
Balloony
He's not really
Wise.
angry. He's got a smile.
Actually, I guess
He's
you
more
have
determined.
Pennywise,
So-
you have been slapped out of the chin.
Oh, all right.
All right.
means it's
Well,
going-
now that Pennywise has been slapped out of the
means-
chin, that should wrap up our show for tonight.
That means he's going to be eaten by the skull.
Come on, Squid. He is about to be eaten by the skull. Delicious. Anyway, see you next time, Be Nights, and toodaloo.